For this project, you'll need a roll of tulle, extra LOL balls, glue gun sticks, and embellishments. I got this pretty glitter ribbon at Walmart and some rhinestones. Then you'll need a glue gun. To mix it up and make it more colorful and fun, I mixed up the top and the bottom of my LOL balls and the little chains that go in the top of them just to make it more fun. Now to get started, I'm going to take the glitter ribbon that I found and I'm going to add glue all the way around the LOL ball, doing a little bit at a time. As I go, I will add on the sparkly ribbon and add more glue around as I go. To finish up the bottom edges there, you're just going to add glue all around the bottom and then push in around the edges, and that'll make them lay nice and flat all around the ball. You might have to do this on the top and the bottom edges of the rhinestone ribbon. And you can find this sparkly ribbon in different colors at Walmart or Michael's. Very cute and pretty. Next, we're going to take some of these rhinestones here and we're just going to apply them all the way around the center part of the LOL ball. These rhinestones already had sticky adhesive on them, so I was able to just stick them all around the ball. They came in a strip just like this. Very handy. Next, you're going to cut off 2 to 3 very long pieces of tulle. I just guessed at how long I thought I needed the pieces to be. After you cut the tulle, you want to tie the pieces together at each end, tying them in a knot, because we're going to slide these LOL balls onto the tulle and we're going to make it into like a garland so we can hang it across the wall very nicely, and it will be a beautiful LOL decoration for any little girl's room. I'm just going to go ahead and line up my balls here and put them in the order of how I will want them hanging on my tulle. Next, I'm going to print a few images of LOL dolls on regular paper and just cut them out. And you're going to apply some tape to the back of these dolls so that way they will stick to the wall very nicely. After you get the dolls cut out, just place it right behind the balls on the wall so it looks like they're peeking out from behind the LOL balls. It is so cute. I love this. Setting next to the wall, we just did a cute little display with our dolls and our LOL ball and some num-nums. We just put some cute color matching toys next to the wall to make it all match very nicely. We have our LOL puzzle ball, and then on the big gold ball I added a hanging squishy and a couple hanging little LOL balls hanging from it, so it looks very nice. Then we hung up the LOL poster here just to give it a cute little look. I hope you guys enjoy this cute, affordable, do-it-yourself LOL tutorial. This was very affordable, and it's something really cute and girly to do in your little girl's room if she's a big LOL fan like mine is. I hope you guys love this. Comment down below and let me know if you give it a try. It's very easy and affordable.